if you do that,
not be romance, not income.
No, you know, say you can translate romance into many different categories. Especially after you listen to Tiwa Savage and Kore Debelo romantic, you will say, oh wow, it's time to do something romantic with my better half.
Just imagine, call Tiwa Savage now and Kore Debelo. Imagine say Tiwa Savage never marry. Tomorrow now, call you say Kore Debelo they date it.
Yeah.
Is that impossible?
They say Kore Debelo they date.
And they are madly in love.
And they are madly in love.
And nothing
I don't know. I wonder what you Kore Debelo go they call Tiwa Savage auntie.
No. Auntie, go and marry. No, you could say boo boo.
No, Nana auntie. How you call him Nana auntie?
No, you know go say no. You could say maybe sunshine. You go come up with something. I don't go just, you know, you cannot say auntie now.
As far as love involved, anyone call out.
You don't see even when love they involve. A 20-something-year-old some girl they call 70-something-year-old man.
Hey, that one not money.
It's love.
Any girl wait till you say if they love 70-something years old man, if that man not get money, not get anything where the girl they do there. You never see any girl where they young, where they love man, where they 70-something years old, where the man not get money. How go for in our Wazobia.
So which means now 100% of them are money.
100% na money.
I don't believe you. No.
That you get one girl where money. You want
love.
What? Hey, no my mouth why hey, 120-something years old girl, my star, what are you doing there?
It's love.
Ah, what for love about walk?
So you did wait, Neru, are you saying that
you not get anybody? You not
what if she find peace?
Which peace?
Peace with the man now.
Which peace? Peace.
Peace that person human understanding.
Wait, fast money.
I don't know.
My brother, which peace you want get? Which piece you want get? Wait, now. That can what now? You go say, the man, oh God forgive me for this thing, what I want to talk now. Then, for night now, where did they run things? That man feel die quick. Now that you see the guy, they say, move like a moving train. Move like a moving train. That man go quick die.
No, quick die. He go follow. Nah.
That's what the man say, my daughter. The time why they move like train, don't pass. And even at that time, you jump me. My dear, for finish you. Now, just leave me, make her move as I did they move. As you talk peace now, it gets what happened for Ikorodu yesterday. Now for Ikorodu, no, now for beggar area, now it range take happen. Peace. One man. Define the peace. Is it peace that transfer all human understanding? No, peace. Yeah, more money. Urine. You know, say peace, they different. Yes. Small pikin own. Nah, peace. Small children we just small children where they just born, where they peace for pampers. They call them wee.
Okay.
Then when you don't they grow, like 9, 10, that one they call peace. Then the one where they are acidic, where they forward, that one they call urine. That one where they come up from.
Say they forward. The whole like, please do not urinate here.
Please, and even they say please do not piss here. Now urinate. Remember they call them anywhere where you say please do not urinate here. Now because they know the efficiency of urinate. And when the bad person when they use a right name, easy. When you come back we say come cancel easy. This piece now one man for beggar. In them na Friday something Friday. They kind of can make it go peace. Not be I see the peace. No, before you go peace there, where them park truck. One man don't come and say, Oga, not peace there. Don't peace there.
They don't write there, do not urinate.
Do not urinate by order. Do not urinate here. But how many people they follow that thing?
Nobody.
Now, if no urinate when they follow, now when you see peace here and peace away your destiny. Please, peace here. We need your peace. Now that the man can't go. As the man tell and say, don't peace there. Hey, mato. The man know here. He can't go the peace. As in the peace, the man where they quarrel now, then two come begin fight. My brothers and sisters in the Lord. Now they end. The PC now. No, not the PC now.
Yes, the person where they peace.
Who, the pizza or the PC? No, the pizza. The pizza now. Come they quarrel the person where say don't peace there. Now so they fight. Blah. And now come the man die. Because of peace. Now, 2 other people will join Wunja on top of this matter. So therefore, I beg anybody where you see where one go peace for somewhere, I beg leave them. Please give peace a chance.
No, but if you leave him,
give peace a chance.
No, you feel tell him very quietly. Say that.
They go here.
Don't enter.
Peace don't hold you. Hey! You don't get one. Peace don't. I don't know
But
how
peace
women
for your house before you come out now.
I don't know how women do that thing. Peace feel the one woman now. They feel hold on for next year.
Happy anniversary.
What do you?
They the woman go sit here.
So
by this time last year, peace not the one
no.
So.
You say it's a hard man to hold peace.
Peace, what do you mean here now? It's like a fellow is there here. What for? I don't come here.
No, but that may be you.
I never leave you here before I go peace.
No, that your own. You know, say now recurrent decimal. Is it?
No, I don't feel hold
I don't feel hold peace.
Especially if you don't hold you where.
Hi. You know wait.
You can't get fried.
When peace don't hold you too much, you can finally enter and you go peace. It is sweet, eh? Your day there. Your eye gonna close.
Gonna blink.
You go be like, why you do your ear? I think not top pieces. Anyway, today we get guests on top of the show. Her name is Benita. She they do juices, different things. And it gets something when you say
do mix and match.
Mix and match. Katim, tell them that thing.
Which thing?
For them to come now.
If they know, say.
So see, if you there around where our studio, if you know say you there, talk up.
No, if you know say you there around here and the Spirit of God can push you to approach and present yourself here before 9 p.m. Before show finish. Let me say,
okay.
That kind of person, we go give a standing ovation.
If you there around where our studio did,
even if you there Ikorodu and you think you can fly, and you believe you can fly,
or you there Abuja,
or you believe you can fly,
or you there the compound before the show end for the last.
We want to see your face
for the last 10 minutes of the show.
Yes.
If you can waka come, so because we has a party we are doing here today.
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes, you can taste it.
You can taste the party.
So anything on the menu we has, anything on the menu for the party now we has it. Anything more.
I don't know where anything.
Anything.
Anything. My God, not like anything. Because Easy Peter say, "Hey, they go anything now." Now another thing now they look for.
No, Easy Peter cannot find another thing.
What is Easy Peter they look for now? If you release them, 9 months. Hey.
No, we have to do something about this Easy Peter status.
I beg Easy Peter look for babe. Those of them where they seriously Easy Peter look for serious relationship.
If you deny him, don't look at him like this.
If you deny him, just ignore him.
No, cool. Just ignore him.
Ignore him.
You see, sometimes he used to do like chameleon. So we
know
on his behalf.
On him behalf. Yes. I beg if you dare single and you know you're fine. Is it bit like girls when girls are being reduced?
Yes. No, is it one above the other?
Scalamabush. Two of them. Scalamabush and Lasabia reduced. You has to be a duplex.
Yes.
So don't think it.
Yes.
My brother, if you begin where just get upstairs.
There's no downstairs.
My sister not even near here.
So you have to have duplex.
You have to be duplex here, up and down.
Yes. For more inquiry, contact Nedu and me.
Simple.
Leave Easy Bit out of this matter.
Go load your credit now for your phone. If you call us later, apply within.
Yes.
When they come, on back, we'll come back. Welcome back. Oh, Jesus. I don't tire.
Welcome back on Top Night Show. We have a very special guest in case a friend we're wearing jacket today on the show. They do wear jacket, Easy Bit wear jacket, our guests wear jacket. A movement. This is a movement for democracy. A movement for democracy. Benita, I do a very young business person. The English people call it entrepreneur. Control. That's it now.
Entrepreneur, anyone. A business market it itself.
It's a business somebody. Benita, welcome. We don't used to be like this every day.
Thank you.
See, you did smile. You get smile extra. Why did they make you smile extra now?
It was the smile. She's feeling all right. As soon as I be like twins, you wear jacket, this is wear jacket.
Benita, how is you?
I'm fine.
How is your ministry?
Fine, thank you.
What kind of ministry is Hailey?
Nah, my sister, you know, now her business.
Okay, you don't
know. The girls get different ministry.
And they get subsidiary.
Yes, they get subsidiary. Now, you know, as NMPC day now, we president don't unbundle them to 7.
Yes.
Now, every girl get different ministries.
Yes.
One. Now the waiting she they do, for example, if you day school, now one ministry.
Yes.
Maybe they don't want to be the main ministry.
Yes.
Now, if the person there in the lag,
yes,
there are 2 things. It's either you're a video vixen, or you are
SF.
So, subsidiary.
That's another subsidiary. Now, if you there Unilag, or you there all those private universities where they are around, we know them. Your first ministry is a student. Then the second one is either a video vixen or SF. From SF, you break it down again.
Yes.
The one you give to your boyfriend and the one you give to.
Therefore, you can be a banker.
And she has subsidiaries.
Yes.
But her main ministry is
Mix
what?
and mash.
Anyway, Benita, welcome. Jomona Jonas, welcome. Benita on top of the show today. Thank you very much. Welcome, Benita. Tell us about yourself. What be your full name? Where you come from? You go to school?
Yes, I did.
Which school you go?
Babcock University. No.
You don't
Guess where go Babcock?
What do they?
They are very good girls.
Exactly.
Because you're not for private university, you don't want to mention some of them.
And now one mention. Now she use her mouth. Master, continue.
So you do an alumni.
Alumni of Babcock.
Yes.
So tell us, what do you study for school? What do you read for school?
Economics.
Economics.
Yes.
Wow.
So where you come out for school first of all to start with?
2012.
2012. So you don't come out for school like 4 years now.
Yes.
You don't go service.
Yes.
Where did you service?
Lagos.
Your power working for you, Abby.
No, it was God.
Leave that here. You see mark for our face.
I don't know.
You see mark for all of us face. Now God working for you, come Lagos. My sister, who talk through, who working for you, come Lagos.
God now.
No, they call God now because we too with our papa Ibi. What was it?
I be ahead, my papa God.
God feast on you.
I don't know. Say God work
So
for you.
when you serve for Lagos, what do you do when you serve for Lagos?
I taught in King's College.
Oh, you be teacher.
They don't toast you.
Oh,
Don't
They not to They not to
Hey, God.
Hey! My sister, if you were my teacher.
Yes. What do you teach them?
What do you teach them?
Social studies and civic.
Hey! All of them pass your. And here now, that's
Because
why.
I taught well.
Oh yeah, my sister.
Why you not going to teach you?
I don't know. So you think say we self will not be taught well.
We say we will not fit taught well. We are not taught this.
I don't know. Yes, you know. Say all of them pass your. Did you ask yourself for one day say, why be say everybody pass? Do well in my subject. But you didn't ask yourself.
That's myself.
Did anybody say, excuse me, teacher, it's scratching me here?
How now?
So you never scratch anybody. Nobody does scratch you. Not say wait. You never tell anybody for that school. Say, oh, come and blow something in my eye. Oh, I not scratch me. Come and blow it.
I'll tell my fellow couple, I'm not a student.
Which class you teach first? Maybe JS1.
Okay, I've been there senior school.
Hey, Honani. There's no wait, Benita, wait. So you mean say all the time when you talk through,
yes,
you not get any students when you say,
they linger around.
They linger around.
It's the honey wax.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
Thank God. What is it?
We have spiritual eye.
We know these things.
Don't try
my sister, don't look us. We are not normal.
Yes. We have spiritual eye.
But wait, you study economics for school. What can make you live in the economic when you study? Can't they do business?
Mix and match.
Mix and match.
The long story.
Take 'em.
Well, now youth service. During youth service, I didn't want to go to secretariat to go and faf.
Why they had not to speak pidgin? When you talk with your friend, waiting at
Okay, I've been on go secretariat. The secretariat they call them that time because they will just go there they play. I can't say make I not just waste my time. Make I just do something. Make I just learn something. So I learn everything I they do. After that time now, my sister birthday come. I do small, everybody like him. Mama birthday come, everybody like him. From there, you're gonna give me change. They give me change. I say okay. This one self go bring small change. So now but no be small change again. A big change I can't.
Hey, mama, a big boss lady. Oh, yeah, me, you are so say sweet girl. Sweet girl, physically, emotionally, financially, and otherwise.
You know,
Yeah, me. No, in other words, you are blue.
They're not going to talk about it.
But we know, don't worry.
So, but waiting, since now for service you start, waiting can make you after service can say, okay, I could just stay, they do this thing. Because I don't go like give you, you get plenty of our people we go school.
Yes.
After service, then we just sit down, nothing. Yes. And people know they know, say, that 1 year, when you say, suppose you take this service, now 1 year where you go take discover yourself.
Need the top 5.
Now 1 year, I don't go like give you, both say we day here. Now, my service year now start radio.
Yes.
Now from, I don't give you just, now from service and now from camp. OBS,
Everybody
Orientation Broadcasting Service. Now from OBS, now start radio. Now from OBS, now after them put now school, then post me go for Chigawa. As they post me now for secretariat, the GM of the radio station. Come meet me. Say, I hear say you they speak 4 languages. You they speak Hausa, you can do this one. Come and work in my radio station. Just draw up to proposal of program where you go fit do. Now I start radio. After service, I can't look am. I did Abuja. What I they do?
Nothing, you just
nothing.
Because that thing done they be.
You understand? Now they start. So the thing where they be say most of the people when they be say why I know say we serve together. Yes. Waiting then they do extra. Yes. During service. Now they see they do till now.
So some people they complain say they no fit. So not be everybody get the business mind. But I don't know. I feel say anybody you can get business mind if you want.
So far you put your mind.
So far you put your mind inside there.
You fit get business mind.
Because the thing I don't go like give you. Everybody will God create. He gets something we God put for everybody. When they say you feel do am beautifully past any other person.
Whether not by mistake you go, whether you know you sabi you are a white piece, you know you are a
that
is your
wait, who bring you white here now?
Whether that is your talent, I don't know. You just discover that thing inside you and channel your inner chi.
Now another thing where they be say, you get person when they be say they serve that time for Abuja. She come for church every Sunday service. She go make zobo and tea give people before.
And I should say that time people go down look at like
those as she they enter inside church, she go make tea. As she they come, you go first give you tea drink. I no go like give you. I never drink tea way sweet reach that get tea.
And you go wonder say no be this tea all of us they make together.
And you go wonder not be the same tea way would they make. How she take they make I don't aware. And then after service, her zobo go before service won't start. Zobo go down the code. After service, she can't give you zobo. Now she get one of the biggest company where they do all those things for inside Abuja. Meanwhile, what did she study for school? Accounting. Now she read for shit. She don't do anything where concern. So Benita, I'm not gonna I give you. I give double twirly to you now for this thing where you range take the do. Now how you take sabi to do all these things to mix all these things where you do?
Okay. As I talked before, it starts from service. But after I finished, I started reading. I bought books. I was watching videos.
I think when they hear it, they read your book, read your book.
But you notice in English they speak, have you?
Now book I buy, I read. I watch video every time, any small thing. Waiting they happen for now. I go put orange inside cucumber, mix them every time. No, I always read.
But not in a normal thing. How you take this special? Say
you just be like
if I blend my own something, I mix them. Use my spoon on my.
Because inside, the inside. You like, but that way you talk. Everybody get something inside. Then you go do where you feel mix your own. If you mix orange juice now, I go mix one. Go sweet past your own.
Oh shit!
You get a orange.
My sister, you can't think Catering go do what you not feel do. Are you with me? When Catering do that thing, Kesolo know now. Kesolo know the thing. Oh, continue. Now, why finger food and cocktail?
Okay.
By the way, what do you mean finger food for people don't know?
Small chops. I don't put small for my own because people think say small chops now only puff, spring roll, samosa. But you get plenty things. You get yamarita, you get grilled pineapple, you get gizdo, you get even do plantain, you get banana boat, plantain boat, so you go roast, put things inside.
Hey, banana boat, plantain boat. So which one? Which one be gizdo?
I don't know.
Gizzard and plantain we don't ripe. You go mix them together.
Inside the gizzard.
Gizzard and dodo, gizdo. Hey! So wait now. Yam,
gizdo.
Yam and bread. Now I go yambre. Continue. So why it be cocktail, finger food and chops
as I do the cocktail now, so they bring me chair. I say no wala, but it can't be say people they ask me, say they say they say they do small chops. I go say no, they say okay, no worry. They go say, supposed to go say,
so you can't lose business.
They go not say, when they do small chops, do my cocktail, no worry. I can't say, she be
So
that
I say, sharp somebody.
No, I can't.
As I do, babe, in the idea.
What part of Igbo are you from?
I'm not Igbo. Edo.
Sorry. A mistake.
Oh, Joy.
See my surname now.
You are
I know, sorry.
You and Easy go form company. They play this thing. When you deserve them for party, Easy go
They
play.
do DJ.
So
Edo. So I can't learn now. I say, okay, this small chops, no wahala. So when they come say, I say, yes, I do I go give you. I do small chops and cocktail. But I don't put small for my own chops. Cocktails and chops. So people don't just think, say, small chops, you go small. Now only puff, now only this. You get plenty things.
So what do they call this whole, your combination now? Because now, within say mix and mash, now you can't join chops. So
Chops inside.
Chops and drinks. How you think they call?
Cocktails and chops.
Cocktails and chops.
C and C.
What is your company name?
ABs. ABs. So it's ABs cocktail and chops. My native name na AB.
A-B-E-B-I.
You get them.
Okay.
But people they say AB. I don't like them.
Okay.
And my English name na Benita. B. People they call me B. And B self, you know, say it's sweet. They do. And B self hardworking. So put everything together. AB. So ABs just join.
Spell the ABs because
ABEES.
ABs.
Yes.
You will say Abis now.
A business.
No,
One.
no,
What are you doing? I'm doing a business.
Come on, the B self. You go say Afis.
A fees or a bees. A G's.
So ABs
keys.
cocktails and chops.
But you go say you they make money. Like for example, now I ask you a question. For the whole of last year, if you go calculate how much will you make?
You say around.
Around how much? It reached around 5 million or 2 million or 3 million.
7.2 million.
Or 7.2 million of $2.1 billion.
Nowadays. So they give me, you never know, maybe you should supply chops
Like if you supply chops, my father maybe you supply chops for that swing case. So now how you go say you make plenty money last year?
I go say I make plenty money, but the money enter the business back.
But you still make money.
Around which time now the money enter pass?
Around December now.
The way events is plenty.
No, sorry, around December. And all these companies they do end of year party, school they do end of year party. Now around December. Around January, February, it hard small. People they recover. But around December, May, from August.
If you get 2 events or 2 places to, give them C and C, how you they do?
I get people where they work.
Oh, you get workers.
She's an employer of labor.
My sister employer also. But wait, to start with, how old you be?
24. I'm 24.
You be 24?
I old now.
Old. Meanwhile, people who senior her, then their house, they not get work.
Spread.
You like easy bit?
Because stop it. You see, she not yellow now.
No, I they look them since they are color, they don't look.
You like easy bit?
Hey, see what I love. Do you like me?
We ask you questions. It's yes or no.
Anyway, we'll go back small chicken break for you. When we come back, we'll go back small chicken break for when we come back. ABs. ABs, don't worry. Benita, aka Bees, go show us how. But wait, how long it take you to learn how to mix this thing?
I learned that cocktail for 1 month, but I see they learn. You never end. I learn every time. I see they do training. What
do you want to learn on top of this mixing? When you say
mix well?
I don't know.
You get plenty syrup when they come out.
See the way they do. You go sabi amebo. Say they do. You go sabi go sleep.
No.
Hey. Anyway, we're going to chicken break when we come back. Benita go show us how to mix things. You wait the house now. Go bring your soap, bring water, bring spoon, bring monkey tail, bring everything now. Everything. Go and cut tangerine, ugu leaf, water leaf, all of them. And diesel, carbide. We are going to show you how to mix them now when we come back on top of the show. We'll come back to the show.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.